I love my Kinky straight wig. Like, I'm never going back to silky textures. For what? This looks good. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and I'm back with another hair video. Today I'm just going to be telling you guys all about this Kinky straight V-part wig. It came in the length of 24 inches, natural black, and the texture is kinky straight, and the density is 180%, and you can get all of this from Wiggins.com. There is a link to this wig down in my description box below, so let's go ahead and get into this review. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and enjoy it. Alright, so I have been wearing this wig for a month because I wanted to give it a very honest review. And yeah, I'm gonna give it exactly that. So it is a V-part wig. I think I explained what a V-part wig was on my channel before in one of my other videos. But the difference between a V-part and a U-part is that the V-part comes with a feature called True Roots, where there is no track showing. It's literally just hair coming out. So when you clip it in, the purpose of the V-part wig is to give you a more realistic look and leave less hair out, and you're supposed to be able to use it without any leave out or minimal leave out. So that is what a V-part wig is. I am using it with minimal leave out, and I will show you guys how I install this wig, my leave out process. Leave out is seamless, everything looks so good. So, and yeah, so I literally love this wig. I don't think I have anything bad to say about the wig. I saw a lot of girls on YouTube, like, I was really looking for somebody who silk pressed the hair and I couldn't find anyone, and I was kind of getting discouraged, but I was able to do it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it can be done. It looks very natural. My only con would be that it is super thick. Like, it was really intimidating at first for me to like deal with the hair and get it to really be how I wanted it to be, like where I was comfortable wearing it. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I ended up taking it to a Dominican hair salon to get it blown out because I tried to get this hair straight on my own and I was not able to get it because it was so thick. And so I really suggest that if you are looking to wear it like this, bone straight, that you take your time. It has to be done track by track. So be prepared for that if you do get the wig. The part up here, like, what do you call it? The construction of the wig is made poorly on the snap clips. Mine already broke, and they're not like when you pull it, you can see like spacing. I don't know, it's not as seamless as if you were to use like a comb, if that makes sense. Just the clips are they're sewn on poorly to me, because they shouldn't be coming off so easily. The wig does run a little big, but that's because I have a small head, so it is big head friendly. For all of you who always say wigs don't fit you, it is big head friendly. There's adjustable straps in the back, so you're fine about that. I had to tie my adjustable strap in a knot and then clip it to the size that I needed, because that's how small my head is. The hair, you need a really good straightener to straighten this hair. No ordinary straightener is gonna get it bone straight how you like it. This hair mimics natural hair very, very much. Like, if you go outside, your curls are gonna drop, the texture is gonna change. So yeah, be prepared for that. I find that it holds a curl very well on its natural texture when you use water, but if you were to try to use flexi rods like I did to get these ends, I just used the flat iron and then curled it and then took the flexi rod and rolled it up. they're not gonna stay. But I just wanted some volume on my hair in the video because I was tired of like bone straight hair, and I don't know how to wrap all this hair. I wanted to show you guys exactly how I put on the wig. The wig can be a little uncomfortable and honestly hurt, so I do suggest that you use anchor braids. That way your wig sits on your head nicely and seamlessly. I have braids going on the sides and the top, just so that the clips are not like burning my scalp, because they can do that because they're so, like, I don't know, they're really tight. Once you put on your wig, I highly suggest do not miss this step. If you're gonna straighten any part of this hair, the top is the most important part to straighten if you want a seamless flat look. Don't forget to do the top, section by section. No matter how big or small your leave out is, take it one slither at a time so that it's as flat as possible. Make sure you put in some layers to frame your face. This is my first time ever going for leaving the hair so long. I usually always chop hair up. Y'all see my other videos, I'm quick to chop some hair up, but I just wanted to experience some long 24-inch kinky straight goodness. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Go ahead and click the link for it in the description box. I only give honest reviews, so if you have any more questions, make sure you leave them down in my comments and I'll be sure to answer them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.